Yeah. Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Apps in Motion. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon and get your updates. Okay. So today, this project we are going to talk about the collection view in SwiftUI. Normally, we did have collection view in iOS storyboards, but in SwiftUI we never had that kind of a collection view because there is a UI collection view in iOS. Okay, so we are not really going to have that same thing, like because it's basically with the view controller and all, so that is totally with the storyboards. Whereas in case of Swift UI, it is a totally different this thing, because you know very well that in Swift UI also we can have something like a table, which I had already told you, like something like Swift UI navigation view and all that I've told you. So that is, so we we are trying to create a collection view like a collection view like in Swift UI by using list. Okay, by using list. Okay, so let's start creating the project. So same way, I'll have to fire up the Xcode. Yeah. So I'll say Xcode beta. Okay. Then search this Mac. So I will have this. Fine. Now let's close this. So create a new Xcode project. So I'm going to call that as Swift UI collection view. So let's say app. Okay. After that, go to next. Then give Swift UI collection view. Collection view. Okay. Now good. So now let's go into next. Create. Okay. So Swift UI collection view is there and content view is also there with us. Okay. All that is done. So by default, Swift UI files declare two structures. The first structure conforms to the view protocol and describes the view content and layout. The second structure declares a preview for that view. This is what it is, right? So here you have a structure for a it basically declares two structures. One structure is for um, the first structure will conform to the view protocol. Okay, right? And the second structure will conform to the preview provider protocol, which is basically for the preview, right? Okay. So the when it conforms to the view protocol and it describes views content and layout. Okay. So what is the use of the first structure? The first structure's use is it conforms to the view protocol and describes the views content and layout. That's what we said. It describes text, it describes image, it describes a form, and many things are there, right? Whereas the second structure declares a preview for that particular view, for the for that view. So it basically declares a preview for that particular view. Okay, right. So this is how it is important. Okay, now in this case, now we are going to have a structure called data model. Okay, structure data model. So which we will write it above the structure of content viewer. So struct I told you struct is a very very important this thing. Okay, it's very important. Um, what to say? It's a structure. It's again a structure. So structure is a very it's a first class citizen for SwiftUI. Okay, so struct data model. Okay, colon. Look at that. You know very well whenever we are dealing with list, you always will use a identifiable, because the identifiable is something which the data model will have many whatever, like it may have many images, it may have restaurant images or anything whatever it is. So it may have many images and other things. So each to identify, to uniquely identify that, you should have a identifiable. It should derive from the identifiable. Okay, so colon identifiable. So normally when you're using list, you will have this identifiable. Okay, right. Okay, let's have this thing. Then let id colon string. Okay, then let me enter, let name colon string. Okay, then let image name colon string. Okay, right. So this is the structure first. Okay, and content view is going to use that structure later. Okay, now structure content view. Okay, we have this here. Now let's say let data colon data model close the square bracket. Okay, close the square bracket, equal to, start the square bracket. Okay, to give all the names of the people. Okay, so let's do that. In square bracket, and then let's say here, just press enter. Yeah, in this case you will say init. Okay, we are initializing all the details. Init id colon 0, we start with a 0 id. Okay, then name colon Steve Jobs. Okay, then comma image name colon, that is also Steve Jobs. Okay, equal quotes Steve Jobs. So this is the first person, let's say. So we are going to probably create many more person out of that. Okay, so here we have to say dot init. Sorry, I forgot dot init. Okay, so dot init id 0, name Steve Jobs, image name Steve Jobs. So here you don't have to put the bracket, here you have to put the comma. Okay, so now the comma, then again you have to say now in the comma again dot init, here again will come dot init, right? Why is it coming like that? Once again, dot init within bracket id within bracket id colon 1. Okay, 1, then name, comma, name, colon, Satya Nadella, Satya Nadella, okay, Satya Nadella. So we will put a bit with the braces, right? Satya Nadella. Yeah. Okay. Comma. Image name, colon, same way. Satya Nadella. Close quotes. Okay. Right. Now next. I here it is having a problem. Dot in it. ID alternate telephone packet ID colon 0 name Steve Jobs, image name Steve Jobs, dot in it. Data model equal to braces. Braces, but why it is not? This is not the problem. Okay. So then comma now. Unit Steve Jobs. Comma. Steve Jobs close bracket for now. The problem. Right. So quotes. Okay, here also. Yeah, right. Okay, now my image name is problem. Image name colon Satya Nadella. Yeah, okay. Comma Nadella. Oh, great. Codes. Go to the main. Right. Okay, next again init. Let it go here somewhere. Let's copy and paste this. Control C, Control V. Okay, so that's going to be like Jeff Bezos. Jeff Bezos. Right? Okay. Then this is also Jeff Bezos. Okay. Sorry, this is his name also Jeff Bezos. Jeff Bezos. Yeah. Bezos. Okay. So image name image n capital அதான் இருக்கு image n capital தான் இருக்கு அங்கே போட்டு id name image அதுக்கப்புறம் பார்க்கலாம் டூ போட்டோமா அது init id 2 2 then the same thing put it control C control V okay. So this is going to be 3 this is going to be Tim Cook comma so let us remove this okay image name is again Tim Cook okay fine now next is Tim Cook so that is the 4 people so why there are errors we have to see let me just go through let data colon data model is equal to braces right init within bracket id colon 0 init within bracket id colon 0 first then name is Steve Jobs name colon Steve Jobs image name colon Steve Jobs close quotes and image name colon Steve Jobs close quotes close bracket comma okay then dot init id again 1 name 1 comma one has to be like not at the comma right here. This is the wrong thing that's right. Init 1 comma name okay and name Satya Nadella image name Satya Nadella comma okay this again we should not have the bracket here so init id 2 Jeff Bezos comma image name Jeff Bezos okay comma okay then this should not have a comma because we are finishing with this so init id 3 this has to be changed okay so these are the 1 2 3 4 people okay totally 4 people are there in that and then you have to close this this one right correct this will be the right thing right and then variable body sum view now what will you use here navigation view all of you must be very very familiar with this so go to navigation view braces list so everything is list I told you right this will be a list a table view or a collection view is a list like kind of thing okay so this is a table view actually not a collection view I will show you the collection view with the lazy grid and that will do. It's okay. That's a different one altogether. So I can put it. Okay. So list. Okay. List for each. Now we list enter for each. For each. Okay. Then for each data. Right. Then braces items in okay enter then for each within bracket 0 dot less than 2 less than 2, braces item in, okay, right. Then collection view, collection view collection view within bracket data colon items, okay, right, items, data colon items. Then braces is there already, braces is there, braces is there, and then here at this point in time we should do, see, 1 2 is there, 1 2, and then the third one is also there. This is 1 2 3, right? So the third one is doing 1 2 third one dot 1 2 3, yeah, dot navigation view, navigation bar title, bar title, bar title within bracket close collection view. So the title is going to be collection view here in this case. Okay, right. Now, so the other than that, you will have three. Next, we'll remove this so that we won't have this kind of. Yeah. So another three. These things are there. Good. That's good. Then we will just say now structure collection view. Okay, we'll just say struct collection view. This is what we are going to do. Let's go. So below this we can do that. Or this, yeah. Struct collection view colon view braces let data colon data model, let colon data model, right, data colon data model. Then next variable body colon sum view, variable body sum view, vstack, enter, then head stack, vstack, enter, head stack, enter, head stack, then for each yeah, Subhash? Yeah, I thought as much, I was thinking I heard some bell. we can use it for our purpose, data purpose. But he says it is not able to, we are not able to do that. I gave it to him. Huh? So this cannot be taken out.
Open it and see it actually.
Who said that?
Once the CCTV camera doesn't take this one. We tried putting it to that. They said, but this, I don't know how efficient it was there. But my apartment is in so CCTV, I was the one who got installed. Even the connection was there. Maybe someone you are the sugar of it, no? You won't use it, not this one?
I don't know.
CCTV, that installation, can't you do it here? This device and everything.
This was no need because it's very safe place, no problem. So I didn't even know that I think that
time with the bag it came, I took it no. Because that I didn't come here no. I went home directly.
It's probably in this one's apparently can be yeah. All these things. Even if you can buy a case and put it after that. Because I was thinking, one therapy case to one there we can have because the images are can just so
Mac has got. How do you take screenshots? Windows shift no command shift and 4 or
command shift 3.
Command shift 4.
Command shift 3 also is it?
5 is for screen recording. 3, 4 these things and it will ask you it seems even which particular area you want to record. So it does that.
For me, it's not like that. I just go
the normal artist. You can use it.
Yeah, it's a normal artist. Anything cover కావాలి.
I'll keep it like this only. When we did the case, then otherwise if you keep it outside, no?
No, if we without the case we cannot test
No.
it.
This cable, no? Wait, no, we will keep it. This adapter is not there. No? you can't. It's not USB or anything. Not like that. You need a case for this.
I have a case and then
Okay, for old type of artist. Right? Right. This is these are all devices.
if I open a old I took it and so maybe there is some but now I do
Do you have another toolkit, yellow color with data all scrollers into the small thin advertiser?
అది స్క్రూ డ్రైవర్, చిన్న స్క్రూ డ్రైవర్స్ లా ఒక చిన్న బ్లాక్ బ్లాక్ అది ఎక్కడ ఉంది? ఎల్లో కలర్, ఎల్లో కలర్.
All this. No, even this, it's a star. It's a star code.
Star code.
So that will have a star screwdriver.
Yes, yes, yes. The star is
That is bigger. That is bigger. The bit is there, but it is bigger one.
bigger one. ఎక్కడ మీ అది మేము పెట్టినాము తెలియలేదు అది దొరకలేదు
Okay, well, Saturday I'll come and do it. Let us keep it out. Saturday I'll come and do it.
ఓకే సరే నేను వచ్చి చూసి హిందీ అంటే ఇవ్వండి ఇక్కడ హిందీలో ఉందా
Thank you so much, sir.
అలాంటి మన దగ్గర లేదు
This is for the small kind of things, laptops.
అదే ఉంది దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ద బ్లాక్ వన్
No, black one is normal screwdriver.
oh it's not the screw yes it should be there man those things are
It's a bigger one.
bigger
It's there actually, but it's a bigger one.
I don't get it. Just like this way you never have
I don't know, somehow I felt.
in somebody else's place you saw probably in your place you saw not ever that one only I was saying that black color
No, then Saturday, someone is open. We'll take this and get it open and
this is the cover I told the cover was there na?
mine didn't work.
500 GB. This is 1000 GB. So we can take this and put it back, and this also I think put it back.
But it's better you buy another one. So every time removing and putting it, it's not good. What you can do is,
Now let's see it is working.
you keep both one on top of the other, stick it, or tie it so that you can use it as a single piece. Both will be always fine, right? Unnecessarily kept it for the long.
Somewhere we can check lot of.
But this is you might have to format into this might be in NTFS format, right? Does any light flow? This one you are using?
Yeah.
Chrome, is this working? Is this working? This one.
That will be working.
Because here no light is blowing.
Not going. Lose contact with. Just here.
This one. Is this drive working? Not hard disk. It's not hard disk problem. Either this adapter.
I don't know. Who's going?
12 volts. You have any other adapter to the volts? Any other adapter? 12 volts adapters we are using.
You saw not so many adapters here.
Okay.
This. This is also a product of China. Seagate to the product of China. Seagate to the product of China. நம்ம கூட ஒரு இடத்துக்கு போய் நீங்க எல்லாம் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணீங்கன்னா அந்த கவர்லாம் கூட சேஞ்ச் பண்ணி வச்சிருந்தாங்க ஞாபகம் இருக்கா ஹார்ட் டிஸ்க்மா ஹார்ட் டிஸ்க் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா ஹார்ட் டிஸ்க் அது ஒரு ஒருத்தன் உட்காந்து ஒரு இதில் உட்காந்துருந்தான்
Yeah, there's adapter problem.
adapter problem.
But you should be careful because this is broken thing. That's for testing will be let's see now for now.
Light is coming.
No, is this spike working?
That's what you probably put in one of the other things. Don't. I'm not sure because now I'm not using it.
Or
Direct when you put it on.
it worked direct, there it came.
There it came out. because I need lot of data because right time you brought it like this.
Not working.
Not working.
Spec is not working. Chrome we are using, huh?
Chrome na?
That whatever is connected to the TV.
Yeah, it is working no? Pro this thing.
But no power supply for that, no? How it is working?
No power. No, yeah, sometimes I take it off, sometimes I... Power
No, the
supply is
spike
there.
itself is not working.
Maybe that this thing is not okay. I'm not sure. Because recently I have not touched it. Only Apple TV only I am
Spike is
using
not
it.
working.
Yeah?
Spike is not working.
What is not working?
The old spike.
Old
Extension box.
spike extension box is not working.
In this one, for now, we can remove anything.
No, wait. That
TV
is
thing.
TV thing.
This is TV, no?
TV.
This is TV, no?
That is TV. Okay.
Otherwise, we'll keep it there
It's
only.
not going.
This one is there, no?
It's not gone fully on. So now, till now, I got 788 subscribers.
Ah,
And views, you know, views regularly they are giving like not that great, na? 12, ఇప్పుడే స్టార్ట్ చేశాను కదా సో 12 views first SwiftUI project first it has come as 50
yeah,
views.
this is wrong.
Huh?
This is wrong.
That's gone, huh?
It was already broken.
Yes, so many. So how I do is I do only with the QuickTime player only. Okay.
MacBook is QuickTime only.
So that way it's quite easy for me. So I do
There is no adapter, no?
no adapter. Huh?
No adapter.
No adapter. These adapters are so this thing bad.
I'll get you an adapter.
And a cover also maybe.
Which one? This one now.
For the other one. So I use a QuickTime player and say file new screen recording. Then it will
I'll
screen
keep this here, okay?
yeah. No,
Huh?
no problem.
Yeah.
It's my room now, so no problem. Sapna will take it and keep it. You just keep it on that top only there. That one, because I don't want that to come here. Put it, put it on top and keep it on top of that. Management went off well. Management of well.
Yeah.
We gave it yesterday. We gave it.
What?
Uncle's
Yesterday you gave it.
yesterday.
I should have gone, no?
No, uncle was saying why unnecessarily this thing. Anyway, we are at home only. No, he'll have office. Why unnecessarily?
Right.
That one that one also you have to. ಒಟ್ಟಿ ಕವರ್ ಕಾವಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
No, that's it.
So you say 12 views, 19 views, 13 views, like that it comes. 10 views, 4 views, 10 views, 10 views, 13 views, 52 views for the first year. This thing. So let's see that. Xcode. Something it cuts
I
again.
go to the downloads because in the downloads
Right,
directory I
started
have
already.
my Xcode beta 3. This Xcode beta 3 is Xcode 12 beta 3. Okay, so it's Xcode 12 is what you should be looking at. Okay, so I double click on this. So it shows welcome to Xcode. Create a new project. Now you can see that the template for your new project. So you can create an iOS app, you can create a macOS app, you can create a watchOS app, you can create a
So while
tvOS
recording
app.
only you, sorry,
or
while
any
screen
other
recording only you
application.
talk. So you
But
prepare
this
material
app
first.
is the entry point of it.
No, just like
Okay,
that.
so you have to make sure that you
Then only it will be
this,
natural.
Then only
Yeah.
the other screens which is coming after
We might
that
jump into
will
Android.
have the correct
We might jump into
details.
Android
Okay.
now.
Mm.
The next
So
time
now
must be
that
what
we
we
have
now we
chosen app,
completed
I
the
will say
project for
next.
Xerox. Next for Rico.
Now
Xerox
I
was
will
web
give a product
based.
name for that.
Rico is Android based.
Oh.
So we might do. little bit of know about Android again.
UI, SwiftUI, project 1. So the team is, because I'm doing this in my com, so I'm giving my name, Hema Venkatraman. You can give your organization name, your website name, or whatever it is. So organization identifier is going to be your development team. Okay, if you have a team of developers with you, you can create an organization identifier. I have created my this thing called apps in motion. The bundle identifier is
I'm
always
giving it here.
the organization identifier followed by the product name. The product name here is
The voice was also quite the same.
the interface of
Voice
your
is
using
good.
is SwiftUI, which will have the user
Keyboard you want to
interface, which
Huh?
will
Keyboard
have
you want
all
to
the
use?
views and controls.
Uh-huh.
The SwiftUI app
I don't like that one.
will, there is a life cycle for SwiftUI app, which we will, take it up later. The language for the SwiftUI is going to be Swift. Okay. So use code data.
I've done about 12 videos up to now. 12 videos I've done. Today I did 3 plus 1, fourth one I'm doing. Only thing is, it is very slow in uploading.
Pardon?
Uploading is very slow.
Oh, that. Okay, maybe they might be converting the video.
And then they converted up the video into HD, SD, రెండు చేస్తున్నారు.
Okay.
So on a bit it will be taking time now.
This is yourself, but each video is coming up to how much? What's the space?
Space
Each video.
Each video is coming to probably, let me just check. This one is get info.
10 MB.
Screen recording, it's coming like that. Wow, fully it is coming, I don't know. Because everything is screen recording, I have put it in that. How much you see?
2
Created
GB. 2 GB.
2 GB.
Obviously, right? Uploading, conversion and all that.
That's
They will
it.
reduce that. Each video can't take so much extra, right? They will have their own compression.
There, yes.
Otherwise, all those videos,
Yeah.
they will have their own technology.
That's
Compress it and show it.
Yeah, that's it. So, yeah, anyway, that way it's like, okay. And I'm enjoying it, really enjoying it.
Good.
Like that, now that.
You are live to the world now.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe you can keep asking everyone to publish in their Facebook or
Every day, look, family. Oh, that will be. But
initially, at least for a few months, you do that and see that you have those keywords in your titles.
Tags I keep.
Tags will be there.
I put SwiftUI, iOS like that. I put tags.
Okay, well, you go.
Okay,
You go to
right.
Preeti's own
Yeah.
account.
Oh my God, why?
No, just like that. Long time didn't touch them actually.
Okay. How are they?
Then good.
They are going to the farmhouse and all.
Yeah, it's a COVID now, and even their house is filled up with all guests actually. But now and then they've got 2 actually. Auntie bought another one prior to this one actually. So that got reason. So they keep going here, but not. But Preeti's home, they've got a lot of visitors for this COVID. There was his brother, his parents, everybody are there. So, I know I long time I've been in touch with her.
One day she asked for some carpenter or something like that. Then I told her the thing.
I'm not visiting. I'm not like the touch is gone actually. I thought okay today evening after so many days we were like out of work actually now because 16th is release date. So they don't know work. So most of them are on vacation. Otherwise evening 5:30 if it starts it's headache actually. Our meeting starts that time, goes up to code reviews, discussions, everything goes up to 5:30 meeting goes up to 9 like that. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, I need
Yeah.
to get to two things.
Yeah, that's it.
Adapter.
Adapter and cover.